Hello everyone. Today we are going to analyze ITC Limited. So on weekly chart, as we can see here, that the price has been in a range for around 4 months. So we can find a good risk reward setup to play the breakout. So let's look on the daily charts. So on daily charts, we can see here there is an head and shoulder pattern with this green line as a neckline, and this is one shoulder, head and shoulder. Okay, as we can see here, the price broke the trend line and it again retraced toward the trend line and shot up around 9 points, and the movement of the price was very strong. You can see on hourly chart the movement of the price was very strong, so I'm planning to go long in ITC. So on, let me delete this. Yes, so if you look, there is a descending trend line which will act as a strong resistance. So if this line breaks, we can expect a rapid move in ITC. So I'm planning to go long if if ITC closes above this candle's close, that is 212, with a stop loss of 209.50. So stop loss, red line, 209.50. So why 209.50? So let's come on hourly charts. Let me delete this. On hourly chart, you can see here there is a gap here, and price has took support on the lower side of the gap. So I expect this as a strong support. So I'm taking 209.50, 209.50 as a strong support, and it will act as my stop loss. So now let's look toward target. So target is quite simple. I'm expecting the price to go till 228 to 230 range. If this trend line breaks, then we can see a rapid move. So on risk reward perspective, we can see here. Long. So if it goes, so this is around 1:4 risk reward ratio, and which is quite good. And one more pattern to notice in ITC on daily charts. That this is forming an kind of a flag pattern. So if this 230 breaks, then we can see more upside. So please do subscribe the channel and also like the video. Thank you.